love this. Set it whole cool. Oh, see that car's trapped. It's not even moving. This is actually cool though. You see that? Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah, stuff. This is the perfect weather to just stay in the house, stay in bed, and work. What you think I was gonna say? Cuddle? Nah, get your ass to work. Stay home and work from home. The frick is wrong with all of you? I see all this crazy ass posts. This is the weather to be having sex. Like multiple sex. How many sex you want to have in a day? You freaky people. You're freaks. It's all fun though. I'm not judging none of you. But it's all fun. But yeah, this is a good weather. It's a great weather. It's snowing. And the most beautiful part of the snow is when it just drops. You see the whole thing. It's all white and beautiful. You see that? That's a beautiful part of the weather. But give it 3 days and you see all the meshiness around. That is when it becomes crazy. I'm gonna go see. This is right here. That's gonna be. Oops. Pray for me, people. Oh shit. I know what I'm gonna do. Stung. Freaks. Yeah, you got stoned. Snow stoned. Right? See that? Boom. Boom. Oh shit. Oh, you see that? Oh frick. Damn. It's fun. Yeah. Snowstorm in New York. Okay. I didn't ask for this. This is beautiful. This is crazy. Yeah, I love this life. Yeah, I love this. See, this is New York. Yeah, I'm surprised when the train is working. Usually they stop the train from working. Crazy ass snowstorms like this. Snowstorm here. See all that? Yeah. It's crazy, man. It's my donuts down there. Get yourself a cup of coffee. It's a deli store right here. You can get some halal or some sandwich. You know, you just get your ass to work. It is, man. That's all we're born to do, man. You know, man, we always have this burden of performance. We gotta perform. Snow, rain, fire. We just gotta work and provide for the family. You know, protect our community and do what's best for the society. Okay? Anyway, I think I'm gonna be out. Take care, guys. So a lot of people are having fun. That's the whole point of everything. This is the time to have fun. Massive fun. Yep. Yeah, this is getting crazier. See the ground and the floor. Yeah. I'm actually heading out to the African freaking restaurant. This guy just spilled a mash all over. Sure the driver doesn't like me. You're probably racist. Man, good thing is the cigar store's open, so I was in the house and I need me a breakfast. Just had some online class. Boring. But yeah, I'm back. Yeah, just keep this in mind. It's snowing, the floor is slippery, meshy. But one thing y'all gotta keep in mind is focus on the work, okay? I don't know how many times I gotta say this. You don't need no motivation speech. You just gotta know that, you know what? Come rain, come sunshine, you gotta get your ass to work. You wanna make that paper. You wanna make that influence. You wanna make things, happen. It is what it is, man. I actually love the snow. I feel like my legs are frozen up right now. Yeah, I got some snow inside my boots, so I can feel my legs anymore. Yeah. I see kids that love it, man. They love the snow. You gotta love the snow. Damn train too. So y'all taking a walk on my street. Now you know where I live. Fuck that. The guys that work in here, so Canada, fried chicken, whatever. They love me there. They African. I go in there, the guy gives me free chicken. I gotta tell him, yeah, you gotta stop, man. Because if your boss knows this, I don't want you to back up because you love me. But I appreciate the love. I appreciate the love. Stuck in there. This is the situation right now. Okay, I'm gonna move away so I don't die. Oops. Yeah, you gotta stay away from the cars too. Because you might just put his foot on the gas and before you know it, car jumps right into your face. So it's crazy, yo. It's crazy. Y'all gonna love this. This is my food. Okay. Crazy, yo. Some guys working. Everyone is working. And the hustle continues. The hustle goes on. Snowstorm, but the hustle goes on. Okay. Snowstorm, the hustle goes on. Now y'all know where I live. Crazy. See my hair? I got gray hair. Anyways, peace and love to all of you. You see that car? That car over there is still struggling to get out of the snow. See that? That's what you get in the snowstorm. It's stuck. Having this on to push him out of the damn thing. I remember when I was stuck in the snowstorm. And I caused the traffic. I caused the longest traffic ever in the history of New York. Because I was stuck in the snowstorm. But yep, this is the African market. About to go grab me a breakfast or something. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Alright. I'm back. I'm heading back home. Just got myself some grocery. Plunging my way all through this snow. My God, this is like 16 inches of snow. We got the warning though, so there's no surprise. Everyone was warned. You've been warned. So no surprise, no complaint. Just deal with it. Alright? Alright, it's a pleasure talking to you guys. You guys see New York? You love New York? I know you all love New York. This is my favorite African place. Yeah. A guy always gives me free chicken. Loving them. Alright guys, I'm gonna talk to you. Take care, be safe, peace, bye bye.
Yo, look. I did all this, nigga.
Oh, okay. Oh shit. I'll go this way. Plunging through the snow. See those trucks right there? That's a towing van. Vehicle. Welcome to the snowstorm. Snowstorm. Get things done. It's the empty box. Still rolling. See the heap of snow. See the heap of snow. Yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting for the bus. You gotta love the snow though. Not that bad. It's also not as good as what they show you on TV. It's messy. It's a mess.